on. Baby, don't you wanna go? Hey everyone, namaste. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm not sure what's really gonna happen, but we are gonna go eat because I am starving and I am craving a burger. So we are gonna go to this really cool place called the Burger Factory. Cello! For the best burgers in Goa, head to the Burger Factory in Morjam, and you will for sure be saying, I love my life. Eating chicken because we love sacred cows, but if you want beef, you can come to Goa and eat the sacred cow, but I advise you not to. Just eat chicken if you're gonna eat meat. Cello, bye. Okay guys, we were driving and I just saw this store. It looks super cool. Let's go in. Just getting some dog food because we are heading to the dog temple. Look at these little rickshaws, how cute. Just doing our karmic deed for the day. Okay guys, so we just reached the dog temple. If you've seen in one of my previous videos, I was here last year, and it's a dog temple where the stray dogs and hurt dogs of Goa are taken for shelter. They get to live there and they're well taken care of. So I'm so happy to be back because I love animals and it's nice to see that they have a home and they're safe. So, cello. Hi guys. Hi guys. Wow, there's so many. Oh, what is this? Oh my god.
Yeah, they say your food.
This is heaven. What is this? Hi. I remember you. I remember you. Oh my god, I love you guys. I love you guys. Oh my god, look at them. They know I have treats for them. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh my god. Thank you, girls.
Bye, thank you.
Bye, babies. I love you. Bye, baby. I love you. Okay guys, so if you come to Arambol or you come to Goa and you want to serve, they're always looking for volunteers. So just show up and be prepared to serve. Bring some food. If you're not in Goa and you want to make a contribution, I will link the website down below and you can send in a donation to help all of the stray babies. Okay, so where are we going now? Kerim Beach. It's a beautiful private beach. It's a little bit of a ways, but it's so worth the drive. So, cello. Okay guys, so before our journey, we are gonna stop and get one of my favorite juices.
Huh? जवळ 40 घे.
I love my life. Can you say I love my life? I love my life.
I love my life.
Yes. Okay guys, just reached Kerim Beach. I am gonna go into this temple and pray a little. Chalo.
Hello.
Hare Krishna. Hi. For protection. Oh wait, that's not even our scooter. Prayed up and just in time for sunset. I love my life. Okay guys, so I just picked the perfect sunset watching spot. Oh my god. This is so nice. I'm so grateful.